We have got an easy costume for you today. It is a snail costume.
It's really fun and easy to make. You just need to stuff it with some toy stuffing, and you can use old plastic bags and bubble wrap, so you can use up all your old recycling things too.
Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out on new content.
And keep watching and we'll show you how to make this.
You will need 1 or 2 bags of toy stuffing, as well as old plastic bags and bubble wrap, 2 meters each of brown and beige fabric, 2 sheets of brown felt, a hairband, 2 pipe cleaners, black paint, 1 meter of 25mm wide black elastic, 2 35mm cotton balls, brown sewing thread and a sewing machine, and a glue gun. Cut both fabrics to 30cm in width. Then place them right sides together and sew all the way along both long sides and one of the narrow ends to make a tube. Turn the fabric the right way out. Lightly stuff the tube. You don't want this to weigh too much, so use light things like old tissue paper, bubble wrap and plastic bags. Put these down the centre. Then use toy stuffing around the outsides to make it smooth. Roll up the fabric tube, starting with the unsewn end in the centre. Pin it to hold it in place, then sew all the way along to secure. Keep the end of the tube unsewn so that it stands up a little, like a real snail shell. With the rolled end of the tube at the top, measure the elastic straps on your child, then pin and sew in place. To make the antennae, push a pipe cleaner into each cotton ball. Fold a piece of felt around the ball, then glue around it. Glue the rest of the felt together. Then fold the tube of felt around the top of a hairband. Trim away the excess and cut off the corners. Add some glue and attach to the hairband. Cut small strips of felt and cover the rest of the hairband. Start by covering the ends, trim off the excess, then glue the strips around the band. Paint black circles onto the eyes to finish. So there we go, really easy snail costume.
Now, there are loads more over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so make sure you check them out.
Thanks for watching.